if your mind won't shut down at night, if your thoughts keep spinning even when you're tired, then this video is going to change the way you sleep. Today, I'll show you simple, science-backed techniques that help you fall asleep faster, calm your thoughts, and bring your body into deep relaxation. Let's begin. You don't stay awake because you're bad at sleeping. You stay awake because your nervous system is stuck in alert mode. Your brain thinks it needs to stay awake to solve problems, to replay conversations, to plan tomorrow. Sleep isn't something you force. It's something that happens when your body feels safe. So our goal is simple. Switch the body from alert to calm. This is the fastest way to slow down your heartbeat naturally. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale slowly for 6. Do it 5 to 8 times. A longer exhale tells your brain, you're safe, you can relax. Most people feel sleepy before the 8th breath. Your brain stays awake because it's trying not to forget things. Therapists use this trick. Before bed, write for 2 minutes. Everything stressing you, everything you need to remember, anything bothering you. You don't need solutions. Just transfer the thoughts. Your brain finally stops holding them. Section 4. Skill number 3. Body scanning. A calm mind needs a calm body. This technique shuts down restlessness. Start at your forehead, relax the muscles, then your jaw, shoulders, arms, chest, legs, feet. One clear rule: relax one body part at a time. It's like switching off lights in a house. Before you know it, the whole house is dark. Section 5. Skill number 4. The white screen method. This helps people who overthink at night. Close your eyes. Imagine a white screen. Nothing on it. If a thought appears, gently swipe it away. This stops your brain from creating stories. Your mind becomes empty, quiet, still. Sleep flows naturally into stillness. Section 6. Skill number 5. The temperature trick. This one is backed by sleep research. Your body needs to drop its temperature to fall asleep. Here are 2 safe ways: a slightly cooler room and a thin blanket instead of heavy. Avoid screens 20 minutes before bed. A warm shower followed by a cool room equals instant sleepiness. When your body cools, melatonin rises. Melatonin equals sleepy mode. Final message: you don't fix sleep by forcing it. You fix it by learning to relax your mind and calm your body. Try these tonight: 4-2-6 breathing, mind dump, body scan, white screen, and temperature shift. Your brain loves routines. Repeat these for a few nights, and your body will learn something beautiful. It's safe to rest. And when that happens, you fall asleep naturally, effortlessly, almost instantly.